Hi, this is Karen with WTI. The Osmo Mobile 6 offers advanced stabilization technology, utilizing a 3-axis gimbal system to counteract hand movements and vibrations. And whenever I'm recording myself, the result is always a smooth and steady footage. And this is the footage by the gimbal. Look how smooth it is. Another big plus is the magnet with the gimbal is super strong. So I'm not afraid that the phone will fall. And it also has this selfie stick in case I want to record myself or take pictures in a really high angle. And it's really compact. I just take off the phone and fold it, and that's it. It's ready for me to store it, put it on my purse, or also with this tripod, which is super stable, so it won't be easy to fall. And that's our point of view.